Dear students, today we are going to learn about properties of integers. Number 1, closure property. Second one, commutative property. Third one, associative property. So students, let's start with first property, closure property under what? The basic operations. What are the basic operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start with addition. If two integers are added, what the answer you are getting? Integer only. Therefore, we can say that integers are closed under addition. In general, for any two integers a comma b, a plus b is an integer. Let's go with next sign, subtraction. So let's take two integers, subtract it. So 3 minus 2 gives you 1. So 1 is an integer. So integers are closed under subtraction. In general, for any two integers a and b, a minus b is an integer. Now next basic operation is multiplication. So let's go with example. 4 into 5 gives you 20. Now 4 is integer, 5 is integer and 20 is also integer. So we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. In general, for any two integers a and b, a into b is an integer. Students, let's go with division. Now 4 divided by 8 gives you 1 by 2, which is not an integer. So we can say integers are not closed under division. Now let's go with the next property, commutative. Commutative property under addition. Now here also again we will go with the same one with basic sign. So first is addition. So what we had taken, 3 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 3. So both the answers are same, 5. So we can say that addition is commutative for integers. In general, for any two integers a and b, a plus b equals to b plus a. Students, let's go with next sign, subtraction. So 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 3, what you will get? 3 minus 2, 1 and 2 minus 3, minus 1. So both are not equal. So we can say subtraction is not commutative for integers. The next operation is multiplication. So let's go with the pair, 4 into 5 equals to 5 into 4. Both the answers are same. So we can say multiplication is commutative for integers. In general, for any integer a and b, a into b equals to b into a. Students, let's go with division. 4 divided by 2, it will be equals to 2 divided by 4? No. 4 divided by 2 gives you the answer 2 and 2 divided by 4 gives you the answer 1 by 2, which are not equal. So we can say division is not commutative for integers. Now students, let's go with the last property of today's video, associative property. So associative property under what? The four basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's go first with addition. So for associative, we require 3 integers and then we have to make a pair. So if you will observe here, 3 plus, so I have made a pair of 2 plus 1 together. Rather than pair, we have put them together. Now in next one, what we did, 3 and 2, we have made it as a group and plus 1. So when you will solve, both the answers are coming as 6. So we can say addition is associative for integers. In general, for any integer a comma b and c, a plus in bracket b plus c equals to a plus b in bracket plus c. Students, let's go with the next basic operation, subtraction. So 4 minus in bracket 6 minus 1. Now 6 and minus 1 are in the group. 4 minus 6 is in the group and minus 1 alone. So when you will solve, what the answer you are getting? 6 minus 1, 5. So first, according to BODMAS rule, bracket will be solved first. So 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 5, minus 1 is the answer. Same case here, 4 minus 6 will be solved first, minus 2, minus 1 gives you minus 3. So if you will observe, both the answers are different. So we can say that subtraction is not associative for integers. Students, let's go with the next operation, multiplication. So now if you will observe 3, 2, 1. So I have taken 2 into 1 in group, then 3 into 2. Now when you will solve, what the answer you are getting? Both the sides equals to 6. So we can say multiplication is associative for integers. In general, for any integer a comma b comma c, a into in bracket b into c equals to a into b in bracket into c. Let's go for the division. Division for associative. So minus 16 divided by 4 in bracket and then divided by minus 2. Minus 16 divided by in bracket 4 divided by 2. So according to the BODMAS rule, you will solve bracket first. So 4 divided by 2, 2. Minus 16 divided by 2 gives you minus 8. And same case here, minus 16 divided by 4 gives you minus 4. Then minus 4 divided by 2 gives you minus 2. So both the answers are not same. So we can say that division is not associative for integers.